Nigga like, oh my god, Madi, you wildin'. I ain't gonna lie, E. It's not all that, but you know what I'm saying? White fridge, little dirty, it's only a little bit, a little dirty. You know what I'm saying? Then what? For me, I'm not trying I'm not old trying on gang. See what's going on. You see what's going on, gang? You see what's going on? Foo and a goosey. Good ginger. Is that breast milk? Yo, y'all is wildin' gang. A pot. What is that? Straight yam and a goosey. No, I think this is a chicken. I think that is a chicken. You got mad milks. Sugar. Do many mana agato. Do many mana agato. You see, chat? What? You gotta embrace it, gang. Like, and this having a real fridge. You so day peanut butter on top. Then you got this. You dead. Nah, and this is a fake picture. Come on, gang. What the is that a chicken? Oh. Asparagus man? Veggie man. Holy shit. You live with Mora? Now eat your veggie. Gracie's corner. Yeah, I see no asparagus, gang. Nah, asparagus. Broccoli. Nah. This fridge is rattled in. You got a brown fridge for what? I got more items than you, gang. This is good item shops. Like, this like waking up on a nice winter, it's winter, it's the day before Christmas, probably 2019. We wake up, V-Bucks, all that item shop busting. Chat, keep it a buck. Like, what type of item shop is this? Like, you know what I'm saying? Okay, that might be the Renegade Raider, the ice pickaxe, like the little icebreaker. Alright, the feel me? Chill, eh? It's one of them item shops. Like, okay, we here. This gray loot. I bet. So now I'm gonna get disrespectful with y'all. Look at this cheese. Is this lettuce? Cream. You don't eat. You don't eat at home. You don't eat at home. This item shop. This might be the worst item shop. Tell you something. This is really like, this is not even great loot. Like, where am I deli? This is Fortnite right now. Rattled, genuinely. I knew Fortnite was rattled. I'm really from the trenches. Holy shit. Just like me. What is that? Chat, what is this? Wait, syrup is not supposed to go in the fridge? Whoa. Chat, what's wrong with syrup in the fridge? They got somebody's SSN? Nah. That's crazy. Nah, I think you're not real. No matter what in the fridge, it's chill. You never turn the lights on like old scattered. I ain't like this is dead poverty though. Like gangster, like this is not even an item shop no more. This is like haunted virus right here, gang. This is Ebola, Zika, COVID, all types of shit just like thrown in the air, gang. Like word to my mother, if any come to your crib, like tell her renovations. You can't go to the kitchen. You can't go nowhere. You know what I'm saying? If a show ever come to my spot, bitch, I'm trapping them in one room. You can't even use the bathroom. Make sure you use the bathroom before you get here. So you might go to the bathroom. I don't know what's in there. Fuck around, might be pissed on that toilet seat. Might be no toilet paper. Or roach might be in there. So, you know what I'm saying? She gotta stay in one room. Can't go nowhere else. I'm gonna go get everything for you. Yo, I ain't gonna try. You not a real savage. You never peed out the window, nigga. Okay, so I'm a real savage, nigga. A real nigga like me, I really like peed out the window or I peed a bottle and throw it out the window. That's mad nasty. But it's like, child, like, what are y'all eating? What are y'all generally eating? Whoa, lactose free? This is bad cereal. I said it's cereal. Bad milk. This is bad milk. I ain't gonna lie. Burn your whole body down. This is bad, bad milk. Look at this. Mad condiments, no food. Who that's a bum? Gang. Mad condiments, no food, gang. Mustard, jelly, what's this barbecue, this, that ranch, this, that mayonnaise with no food, gang. That's what I'm saying. Well, Bengali, you see it, right? Mad condiments, no food, gang. The Uber Eats bandit. I am an Uber Eats bandit. Ooh, oh my God. Oh my God. I'll be at your crib. You that cousin, I want to stay at your house. I want to sleep over. I'm in the fridge. Even if you sleep, I don't even gotta ask you. I'm gonna just go in your fridge. That Minute Maid be going so fast, and you know, bull, because what are these doing at the bottom down here? You know about this? Hold on, my son really probably do be shopping at BJ's. I'm gonna tell you something. He really might be at that BJ's. Waffle galore. This is waffles galore. Ice cream galore. Oh my God. Oh my God. And he got the garlic. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is what the f I want to see, gang. This is really loot right here. This is loot. This is loot. This is loot. You're not here for all that other shit. This right here is loot. Pink. Oh my God, gang. Corn in there. What's this chicken? And he got, what's this, tater tots? Whatever. Bismillah. Oh my God. Hi, Mr. Berry. Yo, everybody, my name is Mr. Berry, if y'all did not know. So I want everybody to call me Mr. Berry, you know what I'm saying? Hi, Mr. Berry. I'm going to the Chanel store and I need $5 million. Mr. Berry. Hi, Mr. Berry. Ooh. I'm very grateful. LMAO. You're healthy ass. Grapes.
Hey, shit looks good though.
This shit too healthy, gang. I'm not with you on.
You need to eat more vegetables, gang.
That. Them old grapes.
Just bought them 2 days ago.
You sure? Chad, this bad blue right here? I ain't gonna lie, you too healthy for that. I ain't gonna lie, Chad. Let me tell you something. When somebody got a silver fridge, all that, they live in a good house, they rich. But if you got a white fridge, nigga, you broke. That's what I had found out recently. I found that out recently. I'm like, hold on. I see this clowning talking about old cribs, and they said, oh, if you got a white fridge, nigga, you pop. Oh, the silver shit. Those are rich. Handle, the electric shit. Gang. I said, yeah, we're cooked. We're cooked. Americans put their eggs in the fridge? Yes. What's wrong with all this free shit right here? All that yogurt, free shit. You don't own that.
We have chickens in our backyard, so, you know.
You live in the woods? Okay, so he thought he was so wavy. Your mom thought she was so wavy. She tried to put, for me, she probably tried to put a to-do list on that bum ass fridge. She was not holding up. She tried to stand there. It was having a sticky fridge. Just fall right back down. The only thing he was able to get on there was a calendar. I said, fuck it. That calendar is probably 2022, gang. The date's not even right. Then, I don't know what the fuck this is. You was stabbing your fridge. Though. Okay. What's up with y'all niggas and condiments and no food? What's this? Piece of not too shabby. It's not too shabby. Cause we broke. Pizza box in the back. be looking too hard, gang. Y'all don't send y'all fridges and y'all want to clown these, gang. I ain't gonna lie. Your dad is dying. You're dying. You're dying. You're dying. Like, if I walk into your crib, no. I actually have to, like, no. This is bad. Like, this is genuinely, like, I mean, the Luke can have you on 2 health bar at least. No, gang. This meal plan right here. I'd rather get a PB&J from the. What? He's not waiting for no BJ's run. That BJ's run is never coming, gang. I don't even know how hungry I got. And it's wheat bread. You could have did a white bread, wheat bread, butter, funny mayonnaise. Cause it was never this light blue. Your floors is wilding right now. The wall is bugging right now. Like, you gotta water the jug. It's not even a little that for me. Nah, boy, and I'll tell you about this curtain. That lamp, you got pills sitting there. This is not what's them little girls always like? Little cup. I'm telling you, these cups right here, they really do something to females. I don't know. Yeah, this is not a Stanley cup. A female really turned down a Birkin for a Stanley cup. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know what's in them. They love them. They love them. They really just love it. Oh, I don't want nothing for my birthday. I just want a Stanley cup. I'll buy you 30 of those. See that? But I ain't gonna lie, your crib, that you are dying. You're on your last hope. I know I know it doesn't work. And you know how I know you're so pop? The shit got the timer, like the shit that you turn. I had that on my old shit, gang. Like, I literally had the same fridge as you, gang. Like, it had this bar. The bar was falling off. You know what I'm saying, gang? This shit right here, you just flick it up, gang. Oh my God, this is literally exactly the same that I used to have, gang. I know you rattled, gang. Nah. Bread in the fridge? Nah, bread in the fridge. It's crazy. Yo, light skin tail with the braid. I appreciate you, buddy. Here from the braid, you here from the braid. All right. Say no more. Say no more. Say no more. I ain't have a fridge like nah. I ain't gonna lie. This nigga did at time, bro. Nah! Yo! Now, who said this Ray fridge, gang? Y'all wildin', gang. That ass, bro. Y'all dead ass wildin', gang. The fucking me is this Ray fridge. Has a dog in a fridge. Like, y'all is wildin', gang. And I'm like, it just give you like, what the oh my God. I ain't gonna lie. I'm in your crib, gang. Like, word of my mother, gang. I everything up in your crib. I'm not taking no for an answer, gang. And I know your mom's wild good. She look wild good. Cause why the grapes standing up there like that? Like, hold on. She might feed me grapes. Dead. This AI. Cause look, oh my God, the grapes just standing up. Then you got the body armor. Hold on. Come on, sponsor. That ass, the butter there, then you got the passion fruit. I never even seen that flavor of juice. You got the Welch's down there. That's the problem. I'm gonna eat it and then be like, oh, I forgot. I got gelatin. You know what I'm saying? It's me. That's me. It's me. That's me. I was so mad when I heard I couldn't eat Lucky Charms. I forgot. It had gelatin. Eat it and be like, oh wait. Got gelatin. Stuff a lot. Now, let me chill. But this is fridges. And you got some big ass sausages. We filling our bags and pockets up before we leave. Right or right though. When you got 10 pico, wait, who got 10 pico? Well, that's bad. Your 10 pico is bad. I ain't gonna lie. What the? This is my fridge. Yo, this. What the? Yo, remember the nigga had big. Yo, measured the 10 1 for 20 months. Yo, remember the nigga who had beer eggs in his fridge? Yeah, you would have thought that nigga's from Ghana, bro. We in the trenches. Y'all hear that? What do you have in your fridge? You're rattled. You're generally rattled. Duke's burnt the monkey soup. That's so disrespectful. I want to do prank calls now. I ain't gonna lie. I think I'm ready. I think I'm ready to do prank call. While the meat's not in the freezer, whatever the this is, gang, spoiled. Spoiled. This the full view with the roach on the bottom left. Bottom left. What the is this? Oh, is you Jeffrey Dahmer? Is that a brain? Nah. What? Say what lie, bro. Nah. Brains in his fridge. Nah, this is wild gig. I got somebody had. It's an eyeball, nigga. Got pumpkins. You dirty, nigga. Look at them dirty bananas. A plantain, whatever the f is dirty, gang. You got a human brain. This look like it's been there for 3 decades, nigga. The f and what is this right here? God, gang. You dying, gang. What's in that blue cup? I'm trying to figure out the same thing, gang. That's the brain sauce. That's brain sauce right there. All the plant is, yo, straight sacrifices in there. Yo, nah, this is. What is this? Got detergent in the fuck. Nah, I ain't like you a dirty game. And sometimes, okay, chat, like being dirty, okay, but sometimes you could get to a point of dirty, like, okay, now I'm really dirty. Like, let me go ahead and just clean this shit myself, gang. Like, this is bad. Like, this is not healthy, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Oh my God. Lord of mercy. Oh my God. Yo. Yo. What the f? What the f? What the f? What the f? You was not making no chicken Alfredo, gang. Keep this shit far back. That yo, what the f? Yo, you dirty. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. Brush your fridge never looked like that. Looking back was sucking my gang. It's not about me, gang. Send your bum ass fridge. Your Somalian ass fridge. Bear soup in it. Soup and bread. I'm on you, gang. I'm not, don't you? What you talking about? You so corny, gang. Like how corny can you be, gang? The shoes. The shoes can't make up for none of the bum ass that's in here. The can't for the water bottle or the thing that you like. Come on, gang. What's this? Pop. Bat eggs. What is this? Onion? Sour cream. Ew. Like, I just know you put water in, like, barbecue almost done or whatever. You put water in there, shaking it. You getting everything out of it. I'll tell you that. That is. It's the definition of a fuck. What is this? Chinese food? This is the definition of a through ASIC. No, that's not ASICs, nigga. Like, I ain't gonna lie, gang. The definition of a Let's get money. Crib look crazy though. You come outside, wavy, going to that house, boy. I tell you this. You want to leave? Bum ass milk. What is this? Eggnog? You Ghana? You from Ghana? Oh, a lady sent her fridge. Hold on. Oh man, yo, these shit is so like, yo, I think I could break these my thing. Them shit is so. I could dead price like slap my and just snap the whole shit I have. You dead. Okay, chicken bites. I feel like in this fridge though. I mean the freezer though. Down here with Red Bull stress. Okay, what's this? Strawberry lemonade. What's this? Appetizers. Look, caught you. Uber shit for $5. Maybe I caught you. That is. What's it? What's this green? That could be. I don't know. Chat. What is that? Relish? Pickle juice? It could be doo doo. Whoa. Relish maybe? Yeah. Eat that shit.